evidence.
Man and Jadem Matika Maleng.
Clear evidence and manure. Manure Kamaleng. Nay, directives. Mapari Parimela Dillo as the fountain of honor. Majalo President Melo of Uganda, President Yoweri Museveni Kagota, Omeo directives. Nay, Tongo Yen level the any wrong the any Murubet, you know that Uganda don't.
This is an evidence to show that the directive by the President of Uganda that the cutting of trees and charcoal production is totally eliminated.
What is Yapa?
We are in a partnership.
And if we are making way directive Maladillobo Omeo, take a teach.
You can see for yourself that these charcoal have been halted here because they cannot go anywhere on that because of the President.
Mukenecha.
Others at that side. You can see bags of charcoal here.
Anyone put here under the directives, Maladillobo Wajone, bet ye Chatumaka mo, Iromli Edi, Iamoro, Unyo Iachuli.
This evidence shows that the production of charcoal in large scale is not allowed.
Environment.
We cannot allow the destruction of trees.
Directive
we want to make it clear that the presidential directive is working and you cannot carry this charcoal to go with it anywhere.
For anybody who thinks that the presidential directives is not working, witness from here. Maka ene kigengio kind malupe ki order on your directives Paladillo ne pedong tie tongo yen ke chato yen owe ke mako maka ene owe man maka maka.
These charcoal are here because they cannot move anywhere. The roadblocks are everywhere. The presidential directive is being followed, and nobody can encourage the sale of charcoal in this massive scale.
Roadblocks take away mapeye tongo yen ke chato charmaka scale makiman.
The security has been deployed on the road, and we cannot accept this mass destruction of environment.
Kawa dugu tunkai.
If you come and check this side,
the presidential directive
this is a clear indication, and we want to thank our security forces for enforcing the directive of the president so that we can conserve our environment.
Updf.
We want to thank all the security forces for making this operation to be effective. This shows clearly that these directives are also being followed by the security personnel. We are here in Apa Township, in Amur district.
Ladit President Yoweri Museveni.
We want to thank His Excellency the President of the Republic of Uganda for giving these clear directives.
Order environment.
We are very happy that the environment is now going to be protected.
But at the same time, we want to request the office of the president.
Office Paladillo.
Office Paladillo. Our best office Paladillo. Romo Yapokwere Lokumaka Madonke Marokai Majone take claim. Nay, by the time Mado don't know directives community, they had already made all these bugs of charcoal.
We want also to request guidance from the Mountain of Honor and all the people who are in charge of this operation. What should be done to these people who purchased the charcoal and have held money here? They have borrowed loans, so it is something that has to be guided on.
What are we going to do with all these bags of charcoal? Are we going to leave it rot here, or there is any way we can help it? We belong. Who come down makaa ni kuchet kere kebitimo mani kuchet ki makaa dong pe kuduka to yen unyonini Ladit do kwanywa bene ye kenyo.
Will this guidance really help us so that the people who have this charcoal here can ferry it once and for all so that we don't encourage this destruction again?
404